Hello, welcome back to another lecture. In this lecture, we are going to be learning how to create a section view. But before we create our section view, let's delete our auxiliary view from the last lecture. So right click on the view and select delete and accept yes. And let's also delete the line we used to create that was auxiliary view, so we can select that line, right click and select delete to delete the line. So you should have something like this. To create the section view, click section, and you have different options for your cutting line. You have the vertical, horizontal, auxiliary, or aligned. In this example, we want to create one for vertical. So we'll select the vertical and we'll come to our part and we can select any point where we want to cut from. So I'll zoom in. So I want to cut this part by the middle. So I'll click that point. And now I'll select OK. Select yes, OK. And now I can drag it to the direction where I want to cut it. So I want to place my view on the left side. And I'll click OK and accept. And that is how you use the section tool. Again, we can do the same thing on the top. Section, the cutting line. You want to cut it vertical. We'll select the point on that view. Accept it. Click OK when you get that option and drag it out. And click to accept that view. And that is how you place your section view. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lecture.